What up? This is Will. Today it's gonna be a short one. I just wanted to show y'all what we got completed last night on the car. Finally got the stereo and the speakers completed all the way and wired up. So there it goes. Let me get this light on. There it is. Wasn't necessarily the easiest thing to do. I just removed the stock stereo out. The original one wasn't working. I'm gonna keep it in case I ever want to put it back in. But basically I just put my Pioneer stereo that came out of my set with the speakers that I bought. So there it is right there. Works awesome. Another cool thing that me and my friend Richie did was we got those in there. Better lighting. Only place we really found out that we could put them in, and like that we can hide them away, which is pretty cool. Let me show y'all the other speakers. They go right there. Those are the two 6x9s. Came out pretty good. I did show how I got these done on a previous video. So pretty clean. Alright, so I did have to wire this up directly to the battery because was tough trying to figure out the wiring on this. Black and red wires are all switched up, and it wasn't the funnest thing. It took me forever. It really kicked my ass for sure, but working now. Pretty cool. Previous owner left the CD in here. I thought it was pretty cool. Speakers sound pretty good. Pretty loud. Come on, baby. Alright, so it sounds pretty good, huh? Let me know what y'all think of the speaker install, stereo install. Appreciate y'all jamming with me. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments below what y'all think. Thanks for watching.